Hello everyone. My name is Smita and Suhas. We are parents of Krushanth who is studying in M1. We are very happy that we chose Bodhi because it has very good, spacious and very well ventilated classrooms. There is also a holistic learning approach here at Bodhi. School is not just for kids, even parents are very much involved in all the activities, say any festival celebration or observation week or sports day, everything. Very happy we chose Bodhi for our kid.
There are a lot of indoor and outdoor activities. Our child is still in M1. We are expecting a lot of activities in the ongoing future. And many of the parents also expressed their positive feedback to us, and we were very happy. Before we did a lot of research. In fact, we visited 4 to 5 schools before coming here, and we visited their facilities. I guess this is the most versatile facility. When we visited the school, we found a lot of games. We were very happy.
Montessori materials were also very good, and the way how Sandhya ma'am explained to us about the curriculum, what will be taught, what kids will be doing when they come to school and when they are out of the school. And we are also very well informed of the syllabus that my kid studies. There's a lot of songs, shlokas, stories that my kid has learned from school. So I would like to say thank you to my team ma'am and all the faculty members of the school.